Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you the analog camera style photo editing tutorial at EPIK photo editor. So here I've already add my I actually got this video from Pinterest. So if anyone recognize this person, I download this image from Pinterest. And you can just add it to EPIK, and then you can just go to filters and then find the film category, this one. And for this analog style, I'm going to just choose the 8 mm one, this one's right here, and I'm gonna set it into 70, like this, around 70. Okay, and after that you can just go to effects and then find light, this one, and you can choose which one that you want to use in your photos. That's up to you, like this. So I'm going to just go to the film one and then adjust the light. I'm going to remove the time, and also I'm going to set the filter into around 40, like that. And now you are done. You can always add stickers, like a Polaroid stickers, but I'm going to just go with this. And here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's how you can make an analog camera style photo with EPIK. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.